today I'm going to be unboxing the Give Me Cosmetics Mum in a Million Beauty Box. If you do want to see exactly what's inside this box and find out how to get your hands on it, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's have a look at this packaging. It's so cute, really pretty and pink. It feels heavy. I think there's going to be a lot of products in here, so I'm just going to open it up, go through each of the products, tell you what you get and if it's worth your money. So let's get into it. So I love that it's definitely like a full kit. You've got the face mask and the eye mask that you can do together if you wanted to. Lovely little pamper evening, perfect for Mother's Day. You can have a hair mask on at the same time. Obviously your shampoo and conditioner, your hand cream and your makeup remover. It's definitely a full kit and you can give your face a nice cleanse with this as well. I really like this box. I think it's a super fun present, maybe not even just for Mother's Day, but if you've got a mum's birthday coming up, it doesn't even have to be for a mum. If you've got someone, a friend or a sister or whatever, you know, their birthday, or just a nice gift to say thank you for being amazing. So the products inside are worth £64 and this is available for £30. So you are getting more than 50% discount by getting this collection. And I definitely would snap it up quickly because it looks like a lot of people are grabbing this box. So if you do want to head to Give Me Cosmetics and get this box, what I'll do is I'll put a link in my description box and you can head through that link and purchase if you want to. Bye guys.